In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the turn signal conversion for the 1969 to 77 Broncos with these big bulky square turn signals back to the 1966 to 68 version. The later model turn signals on your 69 to 77, they just stick out a lot. They're pretty bulky compared to the 66 to 68 turn signals, which are recessed in the grill and just a lot cleaner look, I think. So to get started, we'll just be undoing the screws from the lenses, and then we'll be pulling the turn signal bucket out of there. All right, I got the lens off on each side, and as you can see, so on the back side here, we'll just have a couple little screws to pull off on each side. And you might also be able to tell I got the grill off my Bronco, which should make this, I don't know, easier for me, I guess. I can't really comment with it on, as my Bronco's all tore apart, so. All right, here's my grill with the turn signals completely removed. This is what it looks like on both sides. So the new turn signal is going to look something like this. Is the 66 to 68 turn signal. I bought these from Wild Horses, so it's gonna be flush mount and sit in the hole. But with this turn signal, the bucket hits this part of the metal right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark just I don't know, maybe like 1/4 inch of this metal, and then I'm gonna cut it with the Dremel, and then I'll just keep test fitting the light back in until I can get the screws to line up. And I'm gonna have to even cut this hole out a little wider, and then I will show you their bracket for the other side, and it will just kind of sandwich it in there. So yeah, I want to mark it and then cut the metal. Here's kind of my first Sharpie mark right here. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it with a Dremel, and then I'm gonna test fit the light and see if I need to trim off any more. All right, I got the part of the factory grill cut out. I just need to go over this with like a little file real quick, but just to give you guys an idea. And then this is the little mounting bracket I got from Wild Horses for the turn signals. So it's gonna go on the back here, and it's gonna sit just about like that, right about in there. And as you can see, the mounting hole is just a little off, so I'm gonna open it up just a little bit. And yeah, and then the turn signal will sit in the grill, and yeah, it'll be flush. It'll look a lot cleaner. All right, I got the hole kind of enlarged in that corner, but right here, I need to take just that sliver off so the back of the turn signal bucket can fit in there. So I'm gonna cut that off, and then, yeah. All right, it is clearanced all the way. So that's kind of what it looks like. All right, I got the turn signal put back in the grill, and so much better than the old one. I'm gonna give you a look here on the back. Get the grill turned around. All right, so this is what the back looks like. Wild Horses instructions say don't over tighten, because it just kind of sandwiches onto the back. I don't know, I might put a couple little tack welds or something like on this side too. But yeah, I don't think it's going anywhere. Looks much better, and you repeat the process for the other side. So all right, I got both sides done. It came out really, really nice. I definitely like the early style turn signals a lot better than the big square bulky ones. So yeah, if you guys have Any questions, just go ahead, comment below, and yeah, or send me a message. Thanks.